Hey folks, Mike here with Campaholics. One of my favorite things to do while I'm camping is barbecue, cooking on the grill. Getting out my wood charcoal, not regular briquettes that you get from any kind of store. I get the wood stuff, the wood charcoal. So I'm going to pull it, get that out, get my chimenea fired up. I'm going to get this little campsite grill a try, and I'm going to do some barbecue clams. Teach you how to barbecue clams on the grill in a skillet. So stand by.
I'm Missy.
I'm Mike.
And we're the Campaholics.
All right, so this is what I use for my barbecue. I got my chimenea here. This thing's good 5-6 years old, and it's held up great over the years. It's made by Weber. You can pick it up at Lowe's or Home Depot. It works great. Put your paper in the bottom, charcoal in the chimenea, fill it up, and light her up. I use Cowboy brand oak and hickory lump charcoal. And I got my Kingsford caddy here to keep it nice and dry. But these are nice wood chunks that I use to fire up my grill. All right, so I'm going to show you how I do it. All right, what we're dealing with here is one of these little barbecue grills at the campground I'm at here, Bethany Beach. As a matter of fact, Bethany Beach Training Site Campground. It's an MWR facility for the National Guard. But anyway, this has one of these stand barbecue grills, which can be a challenge to fill it with the lit charcoal, but again, I'm going to show you how it's done. All right, what we're going to do is we're going to take paper, load up your chimenea, nice paper actually, load it up with good paper, and this is the paper I tore off the charcoal bag after I dumped it in the charcoal caddy. So I'm using that paper. Take the charcoal caddy. Fill the wood charcoal up. Take my handy dandy high-speed later, we'll light the paper. Using this grill to block the wind because it's windy out here. And bam, just like that, the charcoal will light. Our charcoal's going. The paper on the bottom is getting heated up, the air is circulating through the chimney, lighting that wood charcoal up. In about 5 minutes, we'll be ready to start cooking. Lit, we're ready to put it in the grill. This grill, of course, this grate does not come off, so it's going to be a little bit tricky to get this in there, but this is how I do it. Get my lined up, chunk it in there. Could be safer, it could be, but that's how I do it. And it's successful getting it done that way, so it works out. All right, we're ready to start grilling here in a second. All right, our ingredients for this meal is 1 beer, a stick of butter. We're going to use a tablespoon of minced garlic, and our 12 little neck clams. So garlic, a stick of butter, a beer, 12 little neck clams in a cast iron skillet over top of your grill, and soon you'll be having a tasty barbecue clam meal. All right, we got a fryer pan on the grill. We got our stick of butter here. We're gonna place that directly into the frying pan. We're gonna let that heat up nice and good. That's gonna be a little challenge because again, this park grill is not level. It's not on a level surface. As you notice, the butter going to one side. So, but we'll get through it. It's gonna be delicious. All right, our butter's heated up, just about melted. We're gonna take a spoonful of minced garlic. Put that much right there. Smells great. Go right in the fire pan. Add ourselves a little flavor to our barbecue clam recipe. Stir this up. Mix your garlic in there good. All right, our stick of butter is fully melted. Our garlic's mixed in there. We're gonna take our clams, dump them in. And we're gonna add 1 can of beer. I'm an IPA guy. So we're adding 1 can of beer. Level. Whoop, there goes our bag. Gotta gather our bag. Get our clams nice and level in there, because again, it's leaning to one side a little bit. But we want our clams under the liquid. And as that comes back up to temperature, because we added a cold beer to it, as that comes back up to temperature, you're going to wait for those clams to open up. And I might just go ahead and cover these up just to contain the heat a little bit more on this open grill. And I'm going to cover these up a little bit to hold that heat in. So you see what we got going on here. These are clams, our beer batter made with the butter and the garlic. Cover this up, turn up the temperature. That's going to start boiling in there. Now to know when your clams are done is they will start to pop open. So when they pop open, your clams are ready to eat. If they don't pop open, do not force them open. In other words, if you have 1 or 2 left that never opened up, but the majority of them have, do not open them up and do not eat them. Just stick with the ones that open up on their own. But we'll see how this goes in a few minutes. It won't take long. All right, some of our clams have started to open. That's a good sign. So we're going to take our clams, put them in a bowl, cool off to eat. Look at that, tasty. I love me some barbecue little neck clams. Boy, she's getting hot. That fire is hot. Fire! Look at that. It's gonna be good eating here in a bit. And this is gonna be my appetizer before I put some salmon on this grill. That's right, we're gonna grill me some salmon here in a bit. So you can see, they'll pop right open. Once they get hot enough, they'll open right up. And when they open up, they are ready. I wish you could smell it. We've grown up here in Lewis, Delaware. Always been here on the Atlantic Ocean, so I love my seafood. I could eat seafood every day. I love my trout, salmon, bluefish, crabs, clams, fried oysters. flounder. It's got to be my all-time favorite. Just wish I had more time to go fishing. But I can't because I'm camping too much. Because we are campaholics. He's open a little bit. He'll be all right. This fire is hot. There we go. So we got 1, 2, so you got 6 left. Waiting to open up. While we're waiting for them, might as well try one here. Take a clam. Damn, that's on point. That's right. Good stuff. Oh, we got some more. Oh yeah, they're open. Come to Papa. That beer and that garlic mix, man. That stick of butter, what a flavor. What a flavor. Most of the time I just put a light beer in there. Today I went with the IPA, and that's just as good. So we got one left we're waiting on. Hey, phone's ringing. All right, we were successful. Every one of the clams opened up. So I'm gonna take my batter here. She's steaming. Pour it in there for a little sauce. Take them in for my appetizer. Delish. While I sit here and eat my appetizer, look at this view I have. Get this adjusted around. Yeah. Isn't that pretty? Except for the dumpster. Finally, a beautiful day. It's done nothing but rain for the last 24 hours. If you count the rest of the week prior, jeez, so sick of rain. Anyway, love my little appetizer here. My BBQ clams. Yeah, little neck clams. Like what you see, please subscribe below. Ring the bell for notifications. We'll come at you with more campground cooking ideas. Of course, camper hacks and tricks and snacks. And every day is once in a lifetime. Cheers.